What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the randomly shuts off issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all check the volume and power key. If there is any dust or anything else stuck between the keys, then clean your keys, and after cleaning the randomly shuts off issue will be fixed. But after cleaning the keys, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down and tap on battery. Now tap on additional features and then tap on schedule power on or off option. Now from here, if you have enabled power off time, then your phone will be randomly shuts off on the set time. So to fix your issue, tap on this button to turn it off and then tap on this top right corner icon to save changes. And after this, the issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after this, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and tap on more connectivity options, and then tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Now over here tap on reset settings option. So when you will tap on this option, it will reset your network settings in your phone, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So tap on this option, and after resetting the network settings, the randomly shuts off issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the phone randomly shuts off issue in your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.